Ni kamiti yumbitwo kurumirira kumomoka kwa nyumba igiri kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kwa ihinda ria ciumia igiri, imwe itũra-ini ria Gachie na iria yacungiriirie ikuu cia andu atatu na iyo ingi itũra-ini ria Kinoo. Kamiti ino ikuruhanitie thirikari nene ya kaunti ya Kiambu na honge itiganite, na kuria yugite ni ikwambika mubango wa guthurima manyumba mothe marathie na mbere na gwakwo kaunti-ini ino.
To ensure that we agree a process to stop this trend of collapsing buildings, not only in Kiambu County, but the governor has assured us, as he has indicated, to come together to put in place a system that stops this occurrence of building. We'd also like to put up a system that wants to rectify whatever defective buildings are on the market.
Kuhitukira gavana wa kaunti ino James Nyoro aria othe marathie na mbere na gwaka matahitukiirio miako yao ni marutiirwo mukana wa kugia na marua mau kwaga uguo matacukirio makinya mahiu ma kiwatho na kuria gukuhingurwo wabici ya maundu maya kaunti-ini ino.
Uria turenda kwira andu aria maraka thiini wa Kiambu turamera ati mundu utahetwo approval na ni araka abe oke na ihenya muno timu ino thanambiriria guthie nigetha a request approval nigetha tuthie turore mwako wake, wona mwako wake wonekana ni mwega na wina hinya ithue ni tukumuhe approval iyo onongoro ni ambiririe gwaka na approval.
Thina wa umomoki wa manyumba ugikuruhanio na thina wa gukorwo na mainjinia a ngungo na angi kwaga wigiririki, riu kamiti ino ikiuga ni kurutithania wira kuhukia thina uyu.
These buildings has a structural engineering failure, and we have assured the governor that we are going to work with him. We have a good stock of professional engineers who are registered with the board, and will be able to look at the building and tell him what the problem are.
Ni kamiti itanyitwo kuhukia thina wa umomoki wa manyumba kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kaimana guku akombori makiurio kugia na wigiririki na nyumba iria marakombora.
Wewe mukombori wa nyumba ya gukombora utanakombora witie mwene nyumba certificate itagwo certificate of occupation certificate. Iyo heanagwo ni kuga nyumba iyo ni rarikire na ni yakitwo kuringana na uria monanirie.
Kameme TV ngithie na mbere na gukuguriria maria maregariura kaunti-ini ya Kiambu njitagwo Waki wa